Tell me something about yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Pranav Sai. I am from JKPETA and I am pursuing my BTech in Institutional Institute of Technology in the Department of AIDS. And I have completed my first year with a CGPA of 9.4 and I have completed my intermediate in Narayana Junior College with a percentage of 96 percentage and I have completed my SSLC in Chegu Vidyalayam with a percentage of 94. And my hobbies are to reading books and writing essays. And my goal is to become an person who is to be technically strength.
Okay. What is polymorphism?
Polymorphism. Poly means many and morphism means different types. Means, for example, let us take an example. A teacher will tell the topic in different ways. There are so many teachers in a department which who tell the topic in different ways. It's the same topic is told by different in different ways. In the same concept is applied here. The poly means many types. The teacher will be teaching many in different ways. The teacher will teach the topic and morphism in different types.
Okay. Then what is difference between overriding and overloading?
Overriding. For example, let us take a superclass. The same properties are inherited in the concept of inheritance when you take into the base child classes. This is called as overriding. And overloading means if a method is written in more number of times with different parameters is called as overloading.
Explain about inheritance.
Inheritance means general topic is dealing with base class and derived class. The base class, the properties from the base class are derived into the child class. In inheritance, we have about five types: single inheritance, multi-inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance.
Okay. Explain docstring in Python.
In docstring in Python, which means a documentation of the data in the form of string in Python of modules and class is called as docstring.
Okay. What are built-in functions in Python?
The built-in functions means the functions which are being predefined. From built-in functions means the functions already exist in the Python modules. The basic built-in functions are print, and tell, abs, and some other functions are there.
Okay. What are ACID properties?
ACID means atomicity, integrity, and
Okay. Difference between Python and Java.
Python is an interpreted language which it is a easy programming language in which we can it is easy to learn, and Java is a programming language which deals with the classes and objects. In Java programming language, the main is to it is used in developing the apps, and it is used in the gaming websites, and it is the Java programming language has been used more in before period about for Android development apps, whereas Python is a new programming language which is used for more for the in the more the concept of codings, and it is also having some applications like Django which is used in the app development.
Explain about joins.
Joins. The joins is general meaning is combining of two tables which have some common properties. In join we have four types: inner join, outer join, left outer join, left right outer join, and full join. In first, the inner join deals with the common properties in both tables had been derived. In left outer join, the properties returns only the properties in the left table and some common properties in the right table. Right outer join deals about the properties which all gives the properties from the right table, and the properties from the which are common in the left table, and full join gives all the records of the property the records of all the elements in the table.
Okay. What are the aggregate functions in SQL?
The aggregate functions are used in SQL to make the simplicity of mathematical functions. The five aggregating functions are count, sum, average, minimum, maximum. The count function gives total number of rows in the SQL given table, and the sum function is used on a particular column to get the total sum of the values, and the average function is used to get the average of the. So let us take an example of salary. The average salary of the people who employees in a company can be given by the average function, and minimum function gives the minimum salary of the person. Max gives the maximum salary of the person.
Okay. The least favorite subject for you. How you learn that subject.
Mostly, the least favorite subject is that subject which we cannot understand. By we can learn the subject by concentrating on topics which are to be keen and interesting. By learning the topics, we gain the interest in the subject, and it easily can be learned in the future.
Okay. Explain the unsuccessful moment you faced.
Within a short period of time before, we have faced an interview in which we have been failed. After that, we have been working on the what are the failures we have been faced in that interview, how the interviewer asked the questions, and we are recollecting the information where we have missed some points, and by this we can face the unsuccessful moments with in next time with a successful path.
Okay. Some logic puzzles like if you have given four nines, then what is the biggest number can you form with it?
The biggest number with the four nines is generally triple nine. It is the general question.
Okay. What makes you anger?
The in the if people in the team has been working with me, it is comfortably, it is okay. If the people faces in the problem, I can be suggest and I will suggest the people. But if the team is not good, and I will possess that, I will help the team to do work. If they are not facing, if they are not doing the work, I will get some anger issues.
Okay. Are you willing to work on weekdays?
Yes, I am willing to work on weekdays.
Okay. What are your why are you interested in this job?
Because I'm very much interested in the coding job, coding purpose job, because I am love with the coding, and I'm interested to learn more things. By learning them, we can be in some position where we are very happy, and we can be peaceful by learning. I have interest in learning the topics. I have keen interest.
Who is your inspiration?
My inspiration is Trivikram Srinivas, but we all but here because he has been taking the films, and how the writings and how his technical skills of taking the film is very nice. In the same way, I have to implement this in my job purpose by giving my best output of my technical skills, and I've been very much inspired by him.
Are you willing to relocate?
Yes, I am willing to relocate. Means we can by relocating we can learn more things, and being known by many facts which we cannot be known before, and we can gain more knowledge.
Why we have to hire you?
Because I am technically and in all the aspects I am being perfect, and I have been in a way where I am technically good, and it is the I have skills, and because of this, you can hire me, because I'll make your company in a position where it will be in the top.
What is the success to you?
Gaining a peaceful life with comfort and being in a recognized person is my success.
Okay, you may leave now.
Thank you.